In this video, I'm going to show you how to download songs with Chrome on any mobile device. The first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and open up Google Chrome just like so. Then you want to go to the search bar and look up Pixabay just like so. Then go ahead and press on search, and then you want to go ahead and select on the first link that does appear. It will say pixabay.com. There you go. And then in the top menu, you want to go ahead and select over here where it does say music. And then from here, you guys can go ahead and find a bunch of royalty-free music that you guys could actually use for like any video productions that you're having. And all you need to do is you need to go ahead and press on this download button just like so. And then there you go. It is now downloaded on our mobile device. So let's go ahead and press on open. Then it is going to bring us to a page that looks like this where we can go ahead and listen to the audio. But in order to actually get it on your file so you guys could actually access it for whatever you need it, then all you need to do is you need to press on these three dots, and then you need to go ahead and select on download. And it's honestly that simple. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.